Hello, everybody. This is Ryan Leusch, Chief Technology Officer at S2A Modular. Today, we're going to talk, for this modular minute, we're going to talk a little bit about the connected home, right? The smart home, if you will. And there's a few things to consider in that. You know, everybody knows about the IoT, Internet of Things. We've got more and more devices being connected, and it all comes into building as well. All of your buildings and your homes really will be looking in the future to do that. We're doing that right now. We're having a connected home where everything can be monitored and optimized, if you will. So I want to talk to you a little bit about something that we've done is we've created our own proprietary app. And we always tell people, you know, you don't need to have our smart home app to run one of the S2A modular homes. It's just a nice advantage. And some of the things that are advantageous is that you can have all of the apps and all of the things. If you think about, I have a Nest thermostat, or I have a Ring doorbell, or I want to monitor my solar, I want to monitor my batteries, all the things, right? It's a lot of apps. So we put them all into one, and that makes it a lot easier for you to just have one single app and be able to stay connected and keep that home connected. And of course, you'll have the voice activations and everything that you would think would come with a smart home. But a smart home is a lot more than just talking out loud and saying, "Hey, Alexa, you know, play Van Halen," right? It's a lot more than that. So having everything connected, we can be a lot more efficient with all of our devices and how we use our energy and when we use our energy, right? There's a lot of things that happen, and you don't have to think about that when you have this app. For instance, we can have what we call modes. So if I have a mode where I could just say, hey, you know, teenage mode or kid mode, and it's just one button that you program, and what it'll do is just simply turn off all of the things that you know your kids and teenagers leave on all the time, because they only leave everything on all day, right? Hit that button, turns off all of those things, nice efficiencies. But also think a little deeper, like vacation mode. I happen to be at an airport and I can't remember if I shut everything off. It's no big deal. I just hop on my phone, hit vacation mode. I can turn off everything except for my refrigerator, my alarm clock, my internet router, whatever you want to set up when you're gone on vacation, or a backyard party mode. Be really nice to just hit one button, turn on your waterfalls on your pool, turn on the lights out back, maybe your sound system. Those things can happen. Movie night, I want to come in, I want my TV to come on, I want the lighting to be how I want it, my audio kicks on. All of those modes are very important. And security is a big deal that we look at, right? Because a lot of people still have that hesitation on this connected home or these Internet of Things. How secure is it? Well, there's a solution now called Lifi, and this was really reserved for more commercial environments. A lot of hospitals, medical facilities, universities, military have been using it. Well, now it's available more and more in the residential space and certainly the commercial building space. What is Lifi? It's similar to Wi-Fi, where it keeps all your devices connected, right? But a lot safer. We all know Wi-Fi can be hacked, and it is often. Well, with Lifi, it makes it a lot more difficult, because what it is, it's an invisible light, and your devices need to be programmed to even see that invisible light. And if they're not, they just simply will not be connected. So somebody can't sit outside your house or your building and try and hack your Wi-Fi, because they're not even programmed to see that invisible light. So that security is a big deal. It's also a lot more energy efficient. It's a safer signal. It does not go through our bodies. It doesn't go through our walls. It's a lot faster than Wi-Fi. A lot more devices can be connected. So all of those big benefits in Lifi and the connected home, really just big advantages to really ensure that we have a green building holistic approach focused on net positive and net zero homes. So thanks for joining the Modular Minute, everybody.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thanks so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy, smart homes, and how you can become involved as an investor. Click the link below to register. See you there.